Yo guys, welcome to PokeLive, home of the Pokemon. Hope you guys are having a great time right now. I just received this in the mail. Well, not in the mail, but whatever. So I received this. I bought it off Amazon. There's gonna be a link. These are hard shells, okay? And it's a pack of 100 hard shells for your cards, and you also get sleeves, okay? You get 100 sleeves as well that goes with it. Okay, so this is basically a pre-review if you want, an unboxing. Call it whatever you want, okay? Excuse me. So yes, if you guys want this, I do have the link in the description. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not getting anything, and I'm not trying to get anything either. I'm just trying to put a product out there. If you guys like it, then you like it. I mean, sometimes we go on Amazon, especially for amateurs that don't know, like me. I'm an amateur when it comes to Pokemon and getting all the stuff, the material that I need to make sure my cards are in order and they're protected. So I got to do like a lot of research and whatnot and trials and errors. So I'm pretty sure if this is valuable for you, then good, I'm happy. Okay. So when you do go shopping online, it becomes overwhelming. You look at everything, you're like, oh my god, what's a good price? What's this? What's that? Is that good? Is that not good? So this is basically it. I'm just showing you guys what I got, what it looks like. If you guys like the product, click the link and buy it, you know, or just have a look at it. Anyways, okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the hard shell. These are the sleeves right here. So they're pretty easy to open, actually. I just tried one. You do one of these right here. Okay, it's very, very thin. Very easy. You put your card in, you slide it in. Okay, and there's no hassle. Okay, extremely easy to put in. You grab the hard shell right here. You're able to put the hard shell very easily. Give it a small shake, and there we go. It's in. Okay. I like these shells. Okay, a little bit dusty, some of them, but whatever. I mean, they're very clear. Okay, I feel like they're very clear. The other ones, I felt like they're like a little bit cloudy. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. Yeah. For some reason, I find these one clearer. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But anyways, okay. That's all I wanted to do was show you guys this product. So yeah, that's all. Take care. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Love you. Peace out, y'all.